Everybody is looking for a comeback story, and Japan's stock market just delivered a blockbuster. Tuesday, August 6th, 2024 will be remembered as the day Japan's market defied the odds. Following a record-breaking 12.4% plunge on Monday, the Nikkei 225 and the Topix index staged a dramatic rebound, closing 10% and 9% higher respectively. This turnaround sent ripples across Asia, with South Korea's Kospi up 3.3% and Taiwan stocks climbing 3.4%. However, not all markets shared in the euphoria. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index dipped 0.3%. What fueled this revival? A mix of resilient fundamentals and investor optimism? As Neil Newman from Astris Advisory puts it, Japan's economy is sound and there's no mass exodus from Japanese equities. But caution remains. Analysts warn of short-term volatility, pointing to concerns over the US dollar's stability against the yen. And with crucial earnings reports and the US presidential election on the horizon, the market's path is anything but certain. Stay tuned as we navigate these turbulent waters. The Japanese market has bounced back big time, but the journey is far from over.